my last video, I was able to show you some 3 best deepfake AI tools. So right here guys, in this video I am going to show you a tool that helps you face swap any photo and video without watermark right there. So guys, without no further ado, let's dive right into the world of the deepfake AI tools right here. So right here guys, the tool we're going to make use of is this tool called the vidnose.com. Vidnose is a platform that helps you create free AI videos in 1 minute. No cost, no download, and no experience required right here in this platform. And you can easily create an account right here on Vidnose without no credit card required. So right here guys, all you want to do right now in order for you to be able to make use of the Vidnose face AI swap, you want to go onto the free AI tools and you see the option here that says face swap. So you want to simply tap on that and it's going to take you right onto this page, which is the AI face swap online free. You upload your photos or videos to swap the face and you can be whoever you want to be right here on the Vidnose AI face swap. And you can also go onto the pricing section of the Vidnose face swap plan right here, whereby you can enjoy 65% off. You subscribe now and get credit to unlock your premium benefits. So right here guys, these are the plan. We have the monthly plan, which consists of 80 credits and is simply $4.99 per month, and you get access to 80 photos to swap face or 4 minutes of videos to swap face. No watermark, maximum video 500M and minimal. Then if you go on to the next plan right here, which is the monthly plan, which is the half yearly plan right here of 350 credits, which costs $12.99 per month. So right here guys, you get access to 350 photos to swap face or 70 minutes of video to swap face. No watermark, maximum video of 500M and minimal. Then we also have the yearly plan right here, which costs $19.99 per month. That is 0.02 per credit, and you get access to 1,000 credits right here. You get up to 1,000 photos to swap face and 50 minutes of video to swap face right here. So guys, you want to simply just select the particular plan that works better for you and simply subscribe. But right here guys, I'm going to make use of the free AI face swap online right here. So guys, I'm going to walk you through the two process, which is the photo face swap and the video face swap. So right here guys, on the photo face swap, the first thing you want to do is to upload photos. So I can simply go onto it and simply drag and drop a particular photo. So this is it right now. So the next, you want to simply upload the target face image. This is the base face. Now you want to upload the target face. So once you're done uploading your target face image, simply tap onto face swap now. Alright here guys, as you can see, we have been able to swap in this particular image, and you can easily just download this right into your device. You can zoom in and you can also contrast right here. So right here guys, this is how the Vidnose AI face swap actually works right here. As you can see, my photo has been successfully generated. So right here guys, you can easily go on to the next, which is the video swap face right here. So you can easily just do just that. You click onto video swipe face. So go on to the video swipe face. All you want to do, you upload a video with a face, which is the base video. I'm just going to do right that. I'm just going to drag and drop in this particular video. And once you're done, the next step is to upload the photo. That is the photo with the target face. So I'm just going to scroll down right here and simply make use of this particular photo, and that is it. So once you're done, you click onto swap face now, and this is just going to be done preparing this, and this may take a few minutes. The free face swapper only support the first 10 seconds of the video to be generated. So right here guys, in order for you to take your face swap to the next level, simply upgrade now by making use of the Vidnose pricing section right. As you can see, 75% detecting, so you want to wait for a few minutes for this to be done. Alright here guys, we are done with this right now. So you can easily just click onto the download button and you simply just download your video right here. So this is how you can make use of the Vidnose AI face swap, whereby you can easily swap in your video face swap and also make use of the photos face swap right there. So right here guys, if you want to simply upload your photos or videos to swap face, you want to simply try out the vidnose.com, which enables you create free AI videos in just 1 minute, and this is an easy, fast and 100% free AI video generator. So right here guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.